Would you attend religious services created by a chatbot? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and ChatGPT went from a fun, exciting new tool to a terrifying artificial being seemingly overnight. ChatGPT went viral for its incredible human-like responses and its immense intelligence. The bot proved it can pass a lawyer's bar exam, and now it's proving it can host Sunday services. As an unforeseen consequence of this new technology, some spiritual leaders are now concerned with job displacement. The chatbot was used to successfully write a sermon for a New York-based rabbi whose congregates were none the wiser. A Minneapolis pastor used the bot to write a short essay that was then shared with her church members. While the bot seems smart enough to complete these tasks, many argue that it'll never have the soul or understanding of grief and community needed to lead these faith-based services. Do you think ChatGPT can optimize your life? Let me know by commenting at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.